Track 13 meteorologist Marty is in this week for Rachel all morning.
For much of the night, the snow showers that were falling were encountering some warm roadways and melting just fine. We never had any trouble coming in this morning, but in the last hour it's gotten cold enough. We've reached that magic point where the roads have no longer been able to eat up the snow. And so we're starting to see the snow accumulate now over the extreme northern parts of El Paso County, and we've had some black ice develop in northeastern Colorado Springs out towards Falcon and Peyton. Even in those areas where the snow is not currently falling and the roads look to be wet. Watch the bridges and overpasses in particular. Woodland Park looks okay right now. US 24 looks more wet than anything else. Some of the secondary roads have a little snow on them. Obviously the cooler surfaces do as well, but really the Palmer Divide has been bringing us the biggest trouble on the roadways in the last half an hour to an hour or so. Falcon at 27, you can see the clouds have broken overhead. It's not snowing now, but this is an area where the ice has been a problem. And at 27, it makes sense as to why that has happened recently. It's hard to see the road now at Bourbon Brothers as the snow is clinging to the dome over the camera. But if you look closely, I think you can make out that we're getting some snow-covered secondary roadways out there. And even on the interstate, we're starting to see some of that now up over Monument Hill. Once you get into downtown Colorado Springs and start heading south and east, we've not had much trouble. We have 32 degrees right now, Bug Pest Control. It's cloudy and the roadways are maybe a little bit wet, but other than that we're okay. And we have broken cloud cover over Pueblo West where it's 40. Wilsonburg had a little snow throughout the night. That has since ended and the roadways look okay there at the Colorado State Veterans Nursing Home. So varied conditions and varied weather. That's going to be the way to go today, very much like this weekend. At times you'll see the sun, and other times we'll have a mixture of some rain and snow showers as we have out there this morning. As we move into the daytime hours, though, the problems with slick conditions should go away. At least at lower elevations, it'll be a little too warm. We still may have a little bit of snow bursts and trouble with that over the mountain areas. You could briefly slush up some roadways if you're up high enough this afternoon. Highs in the 40s and 50s at lower elevations. For much of the day, I think 40s along the Front Range will be the way to go thanks to these intermittent showers, which, by the way, will finally wind down tonight. And by tomorrow morning, we should wake up to a mainly clear sky. It'll be a little bit chilly tomorrow morning, but some much warmer air will be on its way in. And I think tomorrow afternoon we'll hit the mid-60s. 70s on Wednesday. A little cooler Thursday and Friday. Bottom line is it's going to get a lot warmer here very soon. We'll have periods of wind, obviously, as we often do this time of year when it gets warm. And then late in the week, the clouds will start to increase. The next cold front comes in Saturday night into Sunday. That could bring us another round of rain and snow, and Sunday's highs may only be in the 40s. Pueblo 70s tomorrow, 80s on Wednesday. Then we'll round out the rest of the week in the 70s before cooling off Saturday night into Sunday with a chance for a few showers. Overnight lows after tonight should generally be in the 30s. A few showers around Canyon City today, maybe some snow on the mountains. Shouldn't amount to too much today. And if it does, it's gone real quick tomorrow. We'll be up around 80 on Wednesday. And maybe pick up some more rain Saturday night into Sunday. Perhaps some snow on the mountains. A few snow showers off and on through the day in Teller County. Some light accumulations, mainly on cooler surfaces. Then quiet the rest of the week and warm with 50s and 60s. Better chance for some snow perhaps Saturday night into Sunday. So if you're going to make some weekend plans, try to make them on Saturday. In the meantime, you're going north to Colorado Springs. We've obviously ended up with some trouble. So leave yourself some extra time.
All right. Thanks, Marty.
You're welcome.